Hi, and welcome to this piano and singing tutorial. Let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then, the D sharp major 7 composed of the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. And eventually, the D sharp 7 composed of the C sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. And at first, here's how you could play these chords. You would count 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play the chord alone, and you're gonna repeat the process on the 3 and the 4, so that the whole chart would sound like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after playing this chart twice, you will be able to start the verse with a new chart. So here it is, and note the addition of the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. Let's begin the singing while keeping the same playing method. Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly, beside the green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear the shoes and I will wear that dress. Chorus, and it'll be played with a new chart. Here it is, and you will have several new chords. First, the F minor composed of the C, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of F. Then, the A sharp major composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. But you will also have this same chord with the D in the bass. And eventually, the C minor composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C. And I will resume with the next lyric. Wear that dress, oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band, and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. And at this point, you will need to replay the introduction chart and play it only once. You could then continue with the second verse and the second chorus using the charts you just played, but you could also play them using arpeggios. Here's a readapted chart for the verse, and this time you will play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord, and it'll sound like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will resume with the next lyric. Kiss me down by the broken tree house, swing me upon its hanging tire. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh. And you reach the chorus again. Let me show you the readapted chart for the arpeggio method, and let's continue with the next lyric. 3, 4. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band, and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Next, you will reach a musical section where you can choose either to play the introduction chords by reusing the chart or play the melody you hear. So here's the melody chart, and it would sound like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, This musical section doesn't stop here. Let me show you the next chord and notice it starts the same as the chorus. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you will play the final chorus by using the corresponding chord and choosing your preferred playing method. Then you can play the introduction chord in a loop as many times as you want before ending this song with the D-sharp major chord. I wish you good luck for this song and I will see you very soon in the next one.